Hey, SciShow fans! Today we're diving into the world of databases and how artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is giving them a massive upgrade. Imagine a super smart assistant for all your data needs. That's AI in database management. First things first, what exactly are we talking about? Databases are like giant digital filing cabinets, storing tons of information in an organized way. Think of everything from your online shopping orders to complex scientific research data. It's all stored in databases. Now, managing these massive data stores can be a real headache. That's where database management systems, or DBMs, come in. They're like the software tools and rules that help us organize, access, and protect all that precious data. But hold on, even with DBMs, things can get tricky. That's where AI swoops in like a superhero, ready to save the day. AI brings its smarts to the table, making databases faster, more efficient, and way smarter than ever before. Let's explore how. Managing databases is no walk in the park. It's like trying to organize a library with billions of books, constantly adding new ones, and making sure everyone can find what they need quickly. Traditional DBMs often struggle to keep up with the sheer volume and complexity of today's data. Imagine searching through a mountain of documents to find one specific fact. It's time-consuming and prone to errors. Another challenge is security. Databases contain sensitive information, making them prime targets for cyber attacks. Protecting this data is crucial, but it can be like playing a never-ending game of digital chess. And don't even get me started on the maintenance. Databases require constant care and feeding, like optimizing performance, backing up data, and applying security patches. It's a lot to handle. This is where AI comes in, bringing its A-game to optimize and streamline database management. Imagine having a super-powered assistant who can anticipate your needs and catch mistakes before they happen. That's the power of AI. One way AI works its magic is through predictive analytics. By analyzing past data patterns, AI can forecast future trends and potential issues. It's like having a crystal ball that helps you make smarter decisions about data storage, resource allocation, and even predict customer behavior. But wait, there's more! AI is also a master at anomaly detection. It can spot unusual activities or patterns that might indicate errors, fraud, or security breaches. Think of it as a vigilant watchdog, always on the lookout for anything suspicious. Remember all those tedious database maintenance tasks we talked about? Well, get ready to say goodbye to manual labor because AI is here to automate the heck out of them. AI can handle routine tasks like database tuning, optimizing queries for faster performance, and even patching security vulnerabilities. It's like having a tireless robot assistant who never sleeps and never complains. This frees up human database administrators, or DBAs, to focus on more strategic tasks, like designing new databases, implementing complex data models, and ensuring data integrity. It's a win-win for everyone. Real-world AI in databases from theory to practice. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but is anyone actually using AI in databases? You bet they are. Companies big and small are already reaping the benefits of AI-powered database management. Take Google, for example. They use AI to manage their massive search index, which contains trillions of web pages. AI helps Google return relevant search results in milliseconds, even with billions of searches happening every day. Another cool example is in healthcare. AI is being used to analyze patient data, identify potential health risks, and even assist with disease diagnosis. This has the potential to revolutionize healthcare and improve patient outcomes. The future of data AI's unfolding impact. The future of AI in database management is looking brighter than ever. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the world of data. Imagine AI-powered databases that can automatically adapt to changing data patterns, optimize themselves in real time, and even generate insights that humans might miss. We're talking about databases that are not just smart, but truly intelligent. This has the potential to unlock incredible opportunities in various fields, from scientific discovery and business analytics to personalized medicine and even space exploration. The possibilities are truly limitless. Ethical considerations, AI, and data responsibility. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more integrated into database management, it's crucial to address the ethical implications of this powerful technology. One major concern is data privacy. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, potentially revealing sensitive information about individuals. It's essential to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically, protecting people's privacy and preventing misuse of data. Another important consideration is bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the training data is biased, the AI system will inherit and potentially amplify those biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially in areas like loan applications or job recruitment. Learning more. Diving deeper into AI and databases. Want to learn more about the fascinating world of AI and database management? There are tons of resources available online and in libraries to satisfy your curiosity. Start by exploring websites like Towards Data Science and KD Nuggets, which offer articles, tutorials, and news about AI and data science. You can also find online courses on platforms like Coursera and edX, covering topics from machine learning to database design. Don't underestimate the power of books. Check out titles like Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow and Yoshua Bengio, or Database System Concepts by Abraham Silberschatz for a deeper dive into these subjects. Conclusion: AI, reshaping the data landscape. And there you have it, folks. AI is revolutionizing database management, making it faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. From automating tedious tasks to unlocking hidden insights, AI is transforming how we interact with and understand data. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations in the world of databases. The future of data is bright, and AI is leading the charge. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one developing the next big thing in AI-powered database management. If you learned something new, like the video, share your thoughts in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more related videos.